Hey, last week we had a small issue. We had released a new version of our testing tool, and apparently some of the functionality we added required Java 8. And that meant when a customer was trying to deploy it on Java 6, which is PI 731, PI 7.4, it didn't work. It worked on our testing system, which is the 7.5, which runs Java 8. So that obviously caused some problems about what are you supposed to be supporting, who are the real ones that's coming and using the software. So that obviously posed some challenges for us. So we have decided to do this because to improve the performance. Using clusters fully and stuff like that, it was a lot better to have this functionality. And then obviously if you forgot to test it on what would happen earlier. Nevertheless, it's not all bad. So we're working on ERT version 2 here, and ERT version 2 would enable you to run it as standalone using a native Java database, so you can just start it up, run it, and get it up and running in a few minutes, I would imagine. And so you just have to install the agent on the different systems. So that makes it a lot faster to get it started working and stuff like that. So yeah, a shame we don't support it anymore, but on the other hand, I guess this is something we can work with, and with the newer version coming out, hopefully end of January, so we don't have that many days left for it. But as I can see, it's progressing pretty fast. So then we would be able to run these things locally and give much more access to it. So users can run these tests on their local systems instead of having to rely on system administrators to install it. So that is the current goal that we're working on, and will enable users to still run older version or run on versus towards older version of your PI PO systems and validate it in that process. So thanks for listening. If you liked it, please hit the like button. I do appreciate all the responses that you're giving. Bye.